Hi everyone, I'm in here. I'm back and show you my another corset pocket kit that requested by a member in our group, and she asked me to make a blue color theme. So I make it like this, blue with cream color, and with all this is the hand dye beaded applique. So I make two. So this she already take one and still have one left. So if you're interested, please PM me. And now I show you the kit. This is very pale. Look this color, this blue, beautiful blue. So I show you. Okay, and I make this so in the image same, the shabby, and this I make print too, so you can decorate your corset. That's this, and the blue is this with pastel, and all the tag, the dress form tag, I make it this. Okay, so you have 4 tag and the image in the bucket, so you can put all this in. Okay, so and I show you one. Okay, well, this is the I hand dye this. It's very pale blue, beautiful. Love this color, how it turned out. Okay, and I added this eyelet lace in this soft blue, another this very soft lace also in this blue. Okay, hand dye this with the Ctream. And this is like another ice blue, like the ice blue color. So you have this like a half yard, and this is just a small pieces because I don't have more, but I want to include this in the kit also I tea-dye, I hand dye in this color, and this beautiful soft blue, and this sequins elastic. Yes, you can cut out, so you got so many pieces here. And also this beautiful sequin beaded. This and I still have this in the small quantity, so I include this. Also dye it in very pastel, very soft blue, pastel blue. See, it's beautiful. And all this in 10 pieces, and I purchased this from, I believe it's from Larry. I used US dollar to buy this, so I include all this in I dye in this very soft pink blue, so you have 10 different pattern of this. Okay, beautiful. And okay, all those are the blue lace, braided, and I also include all these beaded trim. This one pastel blue, and this ivory, and some other is tea dye, and this tangle ivory. So match with this color is beautiful, and one tangle piece here. And also add the different of the flower applique and butterfly in this pastel blue. This is the bow, beaded bow, and the butterfly. You've got two, and this you got two. This one, this flower, and another one, and this one you got two here, and one this big one. Okay, and also this big piece here, beaded flower, and all this I'll show you. Mix flower, see, the blue, and this blue with ivory, and also include this. I have this color tassel, and this beaded tangle, and this one, and the small pearl, yeah, rubber, and I include this ivory, so you got this also, and this one is the small one, and all this is the ivory color here. And this big one with the, and this acrylic like ice blue color, and the pastel pencil flower and ribbon flower. So match with this. It's beautiful. So you got all this flower here. And where is the plastic that I use? Okay, put all back and show you the cream lace that include also in this kit. Okay. Oh yeah, I have to put back first. Sorry. You can see my table, yeah, full of yumminess. I still have, yeah, a couple set of the different kit that I will show you all coming weeks. So all this is and I'll show you the cream. And oh yeah, one more very soft peel to fit it. Okay, and this include this lace and this Venice lace. This is beautiful if you use this to make the corset, because you can see the loopy pattern. And also this tiny trim and tangle, beautiful. And another Venice lace. I had all is tea dye, very soft, tea color. This one, and of course I will include this long tassel. So all this is the glue, corset kit, and only have one more set available. So if you're interested, you have to hurry. Just message me. I will let you know the price and the shipping for this. And the shipping is crazy, increased a lot compared with my when I start to do the business. Is terrible, but nothing we can control. But anyway, who willing to pay the postage and interested the kit, just PM me and I will let you know the price and the shipping. And thanks again for everyone for watching and for your support, and I appreciate each one. And hope this is the last corset kit I made. Okay. Oh yes, and also I still have one of these, is the sachet bag in purple, that request by a friend. Because she missed out this special kit quite sometimes. I think is in 2020, this year, but in May, it's a May special kit. So I make two, and she already took one, and I still have the item, so I make another one. So who interested in this sachet bag inspired by Margaret, and this corset pocket kit also inspired by Margaret. I believe quite a long time ago I make this. I mentioned before. And so just private message me and I will let you know the price and shipping. And thanks again for everyone, and